In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a task in Asana. Tasks are the building blocks of your work in Asana, and adding them quickly and confidently is the key to staying organized. There are two simple ways to create a task, and I'll walk you through each so you can choose the one that fits your workflow in the moment. First, you can create a task from anywhere in Asana using the Create button. Look toward the top left area of your screen for the plus icon labeled Create. When you click it, select Task from the menu. This is perfect when an idea strikes while you're browsing your inbox, looking at a calendar, or reviewing another project. Selecting Task opens a fresh task ready for your details. Think of this as your universal capture method. No matter where you are in Asana, this option is close at hand and consistent. If your window is narrow or you're on a smaller display, that button may appear as just a plus sign. It's the same control. If you don't see it immediately, try expanding your browser window or checking the top app bar for the plus icon. The second method is ideal when you're already working inside a project that's shown in list view. In that layout, you'll see an Add Task option within the list. Click Add Task, or simply press Enter on your keyboard and a new row appears right in the list. This keeps you in context, so new work lands exactly where it belongs. It's a fast way to capture items as you review a project's workload. If pressing Enter doesn't work at first, make sure your cursor is active in the task list area and not in a search field or another panel. Also note that the Add Task control may appear at the top or bottom of the list depending on your settings, but it functions the same way. Both methods accomplish the same goal. They create a new task ready for you to refine when you're ready. The Create button is great for quick capture from anywhere, while the List View method is great for structured in-project additions. Whichever you choose, aim for clear, concise task names so everyone immediately understands what the work is about. That small habit makes your lists easier to scan and helps teammates pick up tasks without confusion. That's it, two reliable ways to create a task in Asana. Use the global Create button when you're on the go within the app, and use Add Task or the Enter key when you're focused in a project's list view. Keep practicing and this will become second nature.